It is that time of the year to begin filing your taxes, and PSJ-ISD students are ready to tackle the challenge.
I'm able to learn how to do taxes for once. I didn't know at all anything what this is about, and seeing it, how it actually is helpful and how every little thing helps, it's good to know.
Ismael Gonzalez got certified by the IRS Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program to help prepare taxes for anyone interested.
But whenever they ask questions about certain very specific topics or very specific parts of it, I do know and I can help them guide it through it with their own.
And just like Ismael, more than 30 PSJ-ISD students got certified to help file taxes free of cost for those who need it. The school district partnered with nonprofit organization United Way to help accomplish this goal.
So our program is usually just run by the students. The teachers supervise and monitor the students' job. Anybody can come and show up. If you need assistance, we'll be here to give you an appointment. Para la comunidad pueden venir a hacer sus taxes con nosotros. Aquí vamos a estar sirviéndole a la comunidad de PSJ.
For more information or to schedule an appointment, call the number below or scan the QR code.